Hello, boys and girls. We are back again for the third Sudoku, a binary Sudoku. Yeah, you like this one, boys and girls, and this will be number 2080. Yes, in this edition of today's newspaper of Tuesday. Yeah, still Tuesday, December 29th. 2020, and this binary, what kind of binary is this one? Let me count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. And another rule is there cannot be identical rows or identical columns in the binary. So let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones in the last row, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's in the last column, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Yeah. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, there is always an O and a 1. I do not know in which order, but we have 1 O, 2 O's, 3 O's, 4 O's in one of those two. So this should be a 1. Yes. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. All right. 1, 2, 3 ones. I need the fourth one. If I place the fourth one here, then we have 3 O's in a row. 3 O's in a row, not allowed. One of the rules, so this can be a 1. This should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed. One of the rules, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double one here, no, there no. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double one here, no, there no. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Finish in 4 minutes. Alright, great binary without comparing. Yes, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you very soon. I think within a few seconds, because I will do the last Sudoku, a tectonic one with 4 stars. So prepare, and we will meet again. See you later. Bye bye for now.